Hi, this is Kit Welchlin, and welcome to Welchlin.com. Today's video blog is on meetings. The question is, how should I participate? Kit, sometimes I have meetings that are back-to-back. Some because I'm a key player, other meetings I'm sitting on the bench. When I'm a bench warmer, I get bored if the topic really isn't my thing. How should I participate? There are a number of ways to be an active participant. Be sure you understand the purpose of the meeting and support proper interaction. Be certain of your role: facilitator, minute taker, flip chart recorder, timekeeper, or lively participant. Be sure to confirm your attendance. Let the meeting planner know you will be there and be prepared. Before the meeting, complete the necessary work, researching or studying information, and bring along anything you believe can clarify complicated topics. Do everything you can to be on time, which builds your reputation, plus you get the first pick of the donuts. During the meeting, discourage side conversations and stay focused. If you are not sure about something being discussed, please ask questions. There's probably somebody else attending the meeting that felt the very same way and didn't have the courage to ask. Be actively involved in discussions concerning all topics on the agenda, whether you have expertise or not. Sometimes these comments can enhance innovation. Keep the team on topic when the meeting moves off the agenda. At the end of the meeting, ask for clarification concerning decisions and who is responsible to do what by when. Finally, be the person after the meeting that is known for completing their action items. Wow! If I do what you are suggesting, I will not be bored or worn out. I will be energized. I never realized how just my professional presence and sharing my genius thoughts could set the standard for active participation. Thank you for watching this video blog on meetings. So the question was, how should I participate? We should participate fully. We may not have all the answers. However, we can certainly ask some of the questions. When everyone participates fully in meetings, conversations are crisper and the results are richer. Check back to Welchlin.com every Monday for a new video blog.